Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Ghost Wisconsin Football here. Here's my next box break of the day. I got 08 Threads Baseball. So I'm looking for one of those Diamond King auto patch cards. Or of course, you know, even just a Shoeless Joe bat would be sufficient for me. Hopefully not a bunch of no-name prospect autos. So let's see what we get here. Well, we already got an auto. Lars Anderson for the Red Sox. I have no idea who that is. It's out of $4.99. Stay tuned after this one. I got UD Black coming up. Nothing there. Now we got a hit. Greg Hallman out of 500. I have no idea who that is. That's a rookie bat out of the Mariners, so I don't think that's too good. So, but we already got 2 hits. Maybe we'll get a top box or something here. I doubt it though. Not with my luck. At least not my luck opening boxes. Willie Mays. No number on that one. But again, as I mentioned in my last video, make sure to stay tuned for my next mail day. Probably will happen tomorrow. It's going to be sick. Incredibly sick. Now, another rookie auto. Ryan Patterson of the Blue Jays. Numbered as 775. So we already got 3 hits down. I know there's at least 4, usually 5 out of here. So hopefully we're not running through a bunch of empty packs here. Hopefully we get some stuff. Mike Schmidt, no number. I opened up this product only once and did get a pretty sweet George Brett dual patch. So hopefully we can at least copy that today. Nothing there. I guess it's not a hot box. I don't even know if there are hot boxes of this stuff. Got an insert. Nope. Nothing special. Just Dynasty, Ripken, Murray, and Palmer. Okay, we got, it's just a regular Diamond King. Gordon Beckham. No number. I'd like to see that card numbered to like 10 or something. Gordon Beckham numbered to 10 would be nice. Of that Diamond Kings. Nothing there. Empty. Looks like about 10 packs to go. Diamond Kings insert, the regular of Derrick Rose. No numbering on that one either. Nothing there. Nothing there. I should probably stop buying boxes. I never get anything good out of them. The best card I ever got was that George Brett dual 2-color patch. That's the best card I've ever actually pulled for myself out of a pack. Anything else I've won by group breaks or raffles or whatever. So I got one more chance here with the black. See if we get anything out of that. Otherwise I might have to just give this up because I never get anything. In fact, half the time I get shorted cards. Hank Aaron Americana out of 500. This one feels pretty thick. I wonder if it's a patch or just maybe an extra card or something. Come on. There we go. Jordan Schaefer, rookie, 250. Nothing there. So we only got 4 or 5 packs left here. I actually got 6 packs, so still waiting at least 1 hit, and I think usually 2 more. So an autograph rookie, Lou Marson of the Phillies. No idea who that is. 725. Well, that's one pretty crappy box, unless we can save it with one more big hit here. Otherwise, all we got were rookies in this one. No Hall of Famers, not even any veterans. No Pete Rose, nothing. Barry Larkin, not numbered. 3 more packs. Come on, let's see some mojo here. Nothing there. Well, I don't know, that could be just a thick decoy. Yeah, it's a thick decoy. Rookie for the Brewers, oh, at least I got a Brewer. Caleb Gandol, out of 100. So, we got 1 more pack left to try to get some mojo here. Otherwise, so far, this has been a pretty crappy break. Well, we got something. It's Americana. It looks old. Ooh, what? Oh, that's just the formation of it. Casey Stengel. Well, it's not too bad. 250. Nice old jersey there. I don't know if you can see that, but pretty nice. At least I finished off with a pretty nice card, but overall, I'd say that could be probably better. Even though I don't know most of the rookies, I think it's still not that good of a box. So stay tuned for Black. See ya.